What is going on? I got everything cleaned up today down here. Got the gecko all dealt with. I helped him with some of his stuck shed. Got this tank cleaned up. Again, it appears weird on camera. It looks dirty on camera, but I'm looking at it outside the view of the phone, and it's really clear and really nice looking, so kind of hard to explain. It looks like it's kind of gross on film, but what can you do? Clean tank, scraped it down, got them some food, got the rats all dealt with. I didn't do that big cage, but got all these dealt with. And then, you know, the big news obviously with the title is 2 new snakes. Had a neighbor have some issues going on, and he just needed to unload his 2 girls, some normals. This is Sadie, and honestly I forget the other one's name. Let's just give her a look real quick. Yeah, it's kind of wet in here. I'm gonna give her some dry substrate here in a minute. But this is our girl Sadie. She's got a little bit of stuck shed. I'm not gonna bother her too much. But she's got an interesting looking pattern, and I know she eats well, and blah 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 blah. So go ahead and get her some dry paper towels here. I just cleaned these out today. Got some new towels in here, and got them all settled. Just wanted to show her on camera super quick. Good looking snake. Just a normal female, but I like normal, so he gave me a lot of substrate and moss and stuff. And her bowl, kind of a big bowl for her, but moving on. Kind of the same thing down here. It's kind of wet in these tubs, but it looks like Marco's about the shed. What I did today is I really took these outside and sprayed them down with the hose, and got them clean. What I read or saw in a video with Canova was once they strike in a spot, they don't go back to that same spot, they move to a different spot, so it can really help them to trick them into thinking they're in a completely new enclosure, new ambush spot. They're ambush predators. So as you can see, got similar stuff going on with Cinnamon down here. Gave everyone some substrate. That's probably what I'm gonna do, put more cocoa husk down on like the wet paper towels. Probably double up with these first 2 a little more here and get them some more substrate in there. That seems to be working a bit better. And we're gonna go down here. Again, same type of deal I got going on. There's Zelda. I know she's hungry. These are all, everyone's in a different tub than they were in. This is this Emmett? Yeah, he's protesting a little too, but everyone's in a new situation. Let's see what Sundae's up to. Good looking snake. I really like this guy. Banana lesser hap hide. So I'm probably gonna break this video into 2 parts. I got the rats over there to feed. I just don't feel like doing it right now. I'll feed them later today once everyone's settled. I'm not gonna feed the 2 newest snakes. This is a huge water bowl, obviously, and this is a big girl. This is like a Petco normal, I'm told, so. Can't seem to get this tub out of the way here, but I think her hide's a little big for her. Or her hide's a little small, I mean, so I might try to move some stuff around. I might switch Sundays out with hers, but we're gonna give her some privacy again, and she's a pretty snake. Let her get settled. We're probably not gonna feed her this week, like I was saying. We'll wait to feed the new people. So well, I'm gonna break this into 2 parts, like I said, and we'll feed on the next half of the video. Hey, got some time here. I'm just watching hockey, screwing around with the tank a little. Got some rats here. Gonna see if we can feed some snakes. It's kind of the second part of the video here, like I was saying. And I'll go ahead and show the new snakes off. Give it a second. I know Emmett is up there. He's up on this side. And I got this big old psycho for him. Go ahead and do that. See if he wants to eat today. Seemed like he wanted to earlier. This could go real south with this rat. He's a scary rat. I don't know. Like I said, I scrubbed all the tubs out, so give them all kind of a fresh start here. Looks like he wants to bite it. Well, I feel like he would have ate that by now. So we're gonna try to remove the rat. Pull him out. Put him right back in. That's that. Now that that's out of the way, I'll show you this new girl we have. So the bottom tub is kind of hard to get anything out of. But this is our big new girl here that we got today. She's really beautiful. And she took a poop already. Her enclosure is a little wet here, so I'm gonna probably go ahead and dry that out when I'm done. Like I said, this tub is fighting me, so I'm gonna investigate that too here. If Sundae wants to eat after we find him, give him some cover, and then same situation. This rat is crazy too, so might be a little big for him. I think I'm gonna skip him on this one. Over to our girl, Zelda. Just throw this guy in here with the tongs. We're gonna let Zelda do her thing. That takes care of this. Got some more rats over here. More Sundae speed. Go ahead and grab one of those. Let's see if Sundae wants to eat that. Isn't looking like Zelda's gonna take it. This rat's just making a huge mess. We'll give her a minute and see. Because my tongs are in here too. Got these, all right. Move along. Try and offer this one to Cinnamon here. Want it going in the hole. We're gonna let them just tango. And then we're gonna try to offer one to our boy Marco here. Hasn't been too good lately for him. Go ahead and throw this one in and see if he wants to eat. I don't know what happened there. Nope for Zelda. Sundae took it, yeah. That's good news. Let's see what he's doing. Nice. And then Emmett said no. Zelda said no. Cinnamon, we'll see. Marco, we'll see. And then our another new girl, Sadie. Sadie's right here. A little bit of a rough shed, but we'll work on that. Give her some time to warm up to us. Probably gonna give her some dry paper towels here too in a second. I got all these containers cleaned out today. Got the fish tank done, gecko done. Watching the playoffs here. Not a bad night. Glad Sunday took this. He took a few weeks off, so it's nice to see him taking a meal. Oh, there's the head. Try to feel like helping him out a little. Don't like seeing that, but what can we do about it now? I'm gonna go ahead and try to grab those teeth out. Don't like bites, but I think it's dead now. Yeah. Let's take a look at this. As we get the release. See if we did get a bite or not. It's kind of my bad for not checking immediately. But this is obviously a pretty valuable snake to me. We don't want that happening. But we'll have to see here. Now Emmett's out acting crazy. So he's doing nothing. Let's see. Get this right out. That is something I gotta deal with, so I'll check back with you guys. Well, unfortunately, that does not look great, so that's something we're gonna have to keep an eye on. That's a developing situation, not great. far as the rat that escaped, I'm tired. I had a long day. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna find it in a minute, but I'm gonna let this guy swallow his food and we'll see how it goes. It looks like I see a little bit of an abrasion there. Let's see. Don't want to disturb him too much, but nah, I couldn't have been there. Well, we're just gonna have to keep an eye on him. Give him a few days to digest. See if we can find a wound on him. Go ahead and just say if you haven't already, like the video, please subscribe. Comment if you have any questions.